Welcome guys to another awesome video from your girl Kissy, and today I'm going to show you how to do pepper shrimp Jamaican style. So stay tuned, I'll be right back. Now I'm going to wash my shrimp. So I'm going to wash it with some vinegar and some lemon. So these are the seasoning I'm going to use on my pepper shrimp. So I have some diced onions, I have some garlic, minced garlic, I have some salt and pepper with some garlic powder. I have my Scotch bonnet pepper here with some thyme. So I'm only using one pepper because I don't want it to be that spicy where you can't eat it. Even though pepper shrimp is all about the pepper, but I want to have that actual taste. That's why I'm adding all these different type of season. So now that my shrimp is washed and drained, I'm going to go ahead and season. So I'm going to add my pepper with my garlic and my salt. I'm going to put my onions, my minced garlic, my thyme, and then I'm going to go ahead and put my Scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm going to use my spoon and mix it in. And that pepper. So now that I season it, I'm going to put it aside, and now I'm going to saute my onions. It's about that time I'm going to do my pepper shrimp. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of olive oil, any oil of your choice. So I'm going to go in with my onions, saute my onions. I'm going to go in with my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to go in with some garlic. Normally you put the garlic last because you don't want the garlic to burn. When you're sauteing, you always put the garlic for last. And drop some thyme in it. It smells so good. So we keep this on medium heat. The Scotch bonnet infuse all the flavors. Wow, it smells so good. So I'm gonna add some margarine. I told you I put some butter. So I'm gonna add the shrimp in. So okay guys, I'm going to go in with my fish seasoning. It's so hot and spicy up in this kitchen. Wow. This pepper is everything. This Scotch bonnet pepper is everything. So now I'm going to pour some water in the bowl that I seasoned the shrimp with, and it's hot water to keep the pot going. Keep the heat going under the pot. So I'm going to add it to it. So now I'm going to go in with some food coloring. I'm going to put 1 tablespoon to get that red color. So what the food coloring does, it gives it that red color. So I'm just going to put 1 for now. 1 tablespoon. Oh, the pepper. Oh my God. So I'm gonna cover it, let it cook. So I'm gonna let it cook for 10 minutes so that food coloring can go under the shell. So as you can see guys, it's boiling down. I'm gonna let it boil down to a nice little broth. Okay then. Nice little gravy, yeah? Look at that. Guys, it's finished. I'm gonna turn off the stove and leave it spicy and delicious. Guys, so that's the finished product of my pepper shrimp. Look at that. It tastes so delicious and it's so spicy and nice. Oh my god, it reminds me back home in Jamaica. So please like this video, share this video, comment down below and tell me what you think about my pepper shrimp, and don't forget to hit that notification button so you know each time I upload a video. I hope you all enjoy this video. Until next time, I'm out.